Ladies and gentlemen, the Sir Syed National Excellence Award 2025 is being conferred today upon Dr. Abdul Qadir, Chairman, Shaheen Educational Foundation. Dr. Qadir is here with us. I'm honored to read his citation. May I request Dr. Qadir to please come and stand here? The Aligarh Muslim University proudly confers the Sir Syed Excellence Award National 2025 upon Dr. Abdul Qadir, an eminent educationist, visionary reformer and philanthropist whose work has transformed education in Bidar and inspired learners across India. Dr. Qadir began his career as an engineer with a Japanese firm. Driven by a sense of social commitment, he returned to his native Bidar to dedicate himself to community upliftment through education. He founded the Allama Iqbal Education Society, which evolved into the Shaheen Group of institutions. Starting with just 18 students, Dr. Qadir's leadership enabled Bidar reclaim its historic reputation as a center of learning, echoing the legacy of the Bahmani period. By harmonizing religious and modern education, Dr. Qadir has expanded opportunities for students pursuing Quranic studies without sacrificing mainstream learning, a vision resonant with the ideals of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. His contributions have been widely recognized, including the Kannada Rajyotsav Award. And today, through this award, AMU honors Dr. Abdul Qadir's exceptional commitment to inclusive education, empowerment of the marginalized, and the enduring pursuit of knowledge for societal progress. October 17, 2025, signed by Professor Naima Khatoon, Vice Chancellor, AMU. आप डॉक्टर अब्दुल कदीर साहब, अब मेरी गुजारिश है मेहमान खुसूसी से और मोहतरमा वाइस चांसलर साहिबा से कि आपकी खिदमत में सर सैयद नेशनल एक्सेलेंस अवार्ड 2025 पेश किया जाए। इस अवार्ड के साथ ख़वातीन और हज़रात, अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी की जानिब से शाहीन ग्रुप को पेश किया जा रहा है 1 लाख रुपए नकद का चेक। बहुत शुक्रिया हज़रात गिरामी। ख़वातीन और हज़रात, हम डॉक्टर अब्दुल क़दीर के तमाम नेक इरादों में अल्लाह उन्हें कामयाबी और कामरानी दे, इस दुआ के साथ ऐसा मानते हैं कि उनकी यहाँ तशरीफ़ आवरी अलीगढ़ यकीनन यादगार रहेगी।